this video, you will learn how to sign in, complete the setup, and access your Google Drive files. First, find and open the Google Drive application. On Windows, click the Start menu and type Google Drive in the search bar. Select the Google Drive app from the search results to open it. When Google Drive opens, you will see the Welcome to Google Drive screen. Click the Get Started button in the lower right corner of the window. Next, click the Sign In button. If you are already signed into Google on this computer, you may see a list of accounts. Select your account from the list. Google will ask you to confirm the sign-in. Click Sign In to continue. Once signed in, the Google Sign In window will close, and the Google Drive app may briefly close and reopen. You will see a short Getting Started wizard. To keep this tutorial simple, we will skip the optional setup steps. On the final screen, click the Open Drive button. Google Drive is now configured on your computer. There are several ways to access your Google Drive files. One way is from the Google Drive app. With the app open, click the Open Drive Folder button to open your Google Drive folder in File Explorer. Another way is through File Explorer. Double-click your computer on your desktop. Look for the Google Drive drive letter, usually labeled G:. Open it to view all of your synced Google Drive files and folders. You can also open and save files directly from programs such as Microsoft Office. For example, in PowerPoint, choose Open or Save As, then browse to the Google Drive folder. You have now successfully installed and configured Google Drive on Windows. You can access your files from File Explorer, the Google Drive app, or directly from other programs. Thanks for watching.